Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today let's solve a simple but important 2-mark question from the Cbse 2023 board paper. Now the question is like this. Find the value of p for which the quadratic equation px into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0 has two equal real roots. Okay, so let's start by expanding the left-hand side of the given equation. Now the given quadratic equation is px into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. So let me open up the bracket here. Px squared minus 2px plus 6 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in the standard form. Now what is the standard form of a quadratic equation? Standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let's compare this standard form with the quadratic equation that we formed above, and we'll get the value of a as p, b is equal to minus 2p and c is equal to 6. Okay, so a is p, b is minus 2p and c is equal to 6. Okay, now let's calculate now they've given in the question that the roots of the quadratic equation are equal. It has two equal real roots. Okay, so let me calculate something called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Discriminant d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. And for two real equal roots, I know that the value of d has to become equal to 0, which means b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So let me substitute the values that we found out for a, b and c. So minus 2p the whole squared minus 4 times p times 6 is equal to 0, which gives me 4p squared minus 24p is equal to 0. Let me take out the common factors. That is, I'm trying to factorize 4p squared minus 24p. I'll take out 4p common and I would have p minus 6 equal to 0. Which means that 4p could be 0 or p minus 6 could be 0, from which I'll get the value of p as either 0 or p is 6. Okay, so, but wait, if we take the value of p as equal to 0, what happens? When I put it back in my quadratic equation, this term, the x squared term, would become 0, right? So that means it will change to a linear equation. It will no more be a quadratic equation. So that means we have to ignore the value p equal to 0, because p equal to 0 makes the equation linear. So the actual answer to the question will be p equal to 6. That's the only solution. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.